At last, I'm Angela Miles with a Russell Report. It's been a long wait, but finally there's breakout action in the Russell with a big rally this week that kept pace with the broader market. The Russell 2000 is back above 1,700, trading 1,709. That is the high of the year here. The all-time high was set back on August 31st. 2018, that's when the small cap index reached 1742. In options trading, lots of call action this week. Today, the ratio 1.3 calls to 1 put. There's a call quote right now. Among the bigger trades in the weeklies for next week, the January 1,700 calls, 1,720 calls. The straddle is implying a low volatility move of around 1.3% for next week. Trader Talk is coming up next. I am so pleased to have Tim Biggam of Delta Derivatives with me today. He's a great veteran trader. I'd love to get your take on the Russell at this juncture because it's been a big week and we have been waiting for this breakout.
Yeah, absolutely. And veteran trader, another fancy term for kind of an old guy, but still, we are seeing something that the veterans even haven't seen in a long time, the outperformance of the NASDAQ to the Russell over the past year. Russell's up a nice 20% or so. NASDAQ up more than double that, up 40%. Looking at the Russell implied volatility, RVX, at yearly lows. NASDAQ IV, the Vixen, not even near yearly lows. So I kind of like a pairs trade, buying call spreads on the Russell going out to March, one strike out of the money, selling call spreads on the triple Qs going out to March again, one strike out of the money, just looking for that big divergence to reconverge, the Russell to be a big outperformer in 2020 to the NASDAQ.
Well, that is the headline story. Everybody's been waiting for this breakout in the Russell. So when does it play this big catch-up game and make this huge move? So do you think we have more room to run, and what would be your target then based on your trade here?
Yeah, absolutely, and really just looking for probably more of a flattish market environment. Russell probably creeping up maybe 3 to 5%, more than NASDAQ coming down as well, about the same, maybe even more here. So really not looking for rip-roaring, but by using those strikes, really don't need a rip-roaring rally or sell-off to make this trade profitable.
Well, good to have you here. Thanks so much, Tim.
You bet, anytime.
Thanks so much for joining us, and have a wonderful weekend, everybody.